If you've ever wanted to save a crisp, high-quality screenshot from a video you're editing in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to grab a still frame from your video using CapCut Desktop, whether you're on Windows or Mac. By the end of this video, you'll know how to export sharp screenshots in just a few clicks. Perfect for thumbnails, sharing moments, or adding images to your projects. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up CapCut on your computer. If it's your first time, you'll see the clean workspace ready for you to start editing. Go ahead and import your video clip. Just drag it onto the timeline or use the Import button. This step is important because CapCut needs your clip in the timeline to access specific frames. Once your video's loaded up, it's time to find the exact moment you want to capture. Move the playhead, which is that vertical blue line, along the timeline until you reach the frame you want. Take your time here. Maybe you're looking for that perfect smile, a key scene, or a beautiful background. You can use the arrow keys for precise control if you want to nudge frame by frame. Getting this step right means your screenshot will be exactly what you envisioned. Now, when you've got the playhead parked on your chosen frame, look at the preview window in the middle top section of CapCut. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice a small icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked together, commonly known as the hamburger menu. It's tucked in the corner, and clicking on it opens extra options specifically for the preview. From the menu that pops up, choose Export Still Frame. Don't worry if you haven't seen this option before. It's a powerful little feature that lets you grab any frame as a separate image. When you click it, a window appears. Here, you get to customize your screenshot before saving. You can pick the file name so it's easy to find later, and choose where on your computer you'd like to save it. You also get to set the resolution, which goes up to a stunning 8K, perfect if you're working with high-res footage and want the richest possible image. And you can choose between JPG for a smaller file size or PNG for lossless quality and transparent backgrounds, which is handy if you plan to use the screenshot in design projects. Once you've tweaked those settings to your liking, simply hit Export. The process is pretty quick, usually just a moment or two, depending on your resolution setting and how busy your computer is. The still frame is now saved on your computer, ready to use. You'll be able to open it up, send it to a friend, or pop it into another app like Photoshop or Canva. And there you have it. Capturing video screenshots in CapCut couldn't be easier. Whether you're making a YouTube thumbnail, documenting a funny moment, or saving a frame for inspiration, CapCut gives you the control and quality you need. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give it a like. It lets me know you want more tutorials just like this. If you have any questions about exporting frames or CapCut's features, drop them down in the comments and I'll do my best to help. And if you want to keep growing your editing skills, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.